Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And here, this another tutorial that I will do. And for this tutorial, we're going to do the second IT project tutorial. And it's going to be about radio app. Yes, as you can see, maybe from my last demo that you watch. Maybe if you watch, if you're not, you can try watch it. And now, we're going to do it. And I hope it's not going to be a long tutorial here. Without any further ado, and before, my name is Gazo Naraya Sabrindarto. Welcome if you're new to the channel. And without any further ado, just let's start the video. So first, with an emulator here. I mean, Chrome window, as you can see here. We need some browser, the point. Next, after that, we're going to go to Codular. You can looking for Codular on your browser here. Type on Google as example, Codular. Nah, on first page, you can go straight right here, Codular Home. Next time when you enter here, example like this one too, you can click create apps. After create apps, you need to sign in for a reason, but because I have do it, so we'll just continue. Yes. Next, we're going to create a new. Before that, I'm going to show you the preview of the things. So here we're going to make some radio apps. As you can see, look like this. Radio apps. All the thing here, we're going to use screen one, label, space, horizontal arrangement, card view, and an image. Next, space, and player and notifier. That's the important one. And here's the block code of all of it. It's going to be a simple one, as you can see here, right? So we're going to make that. So first, you need to click create project here. Create project. After that, you're going to make or make some name. Yes, as an example. Because we're going to do some radio tutorial, so my project name will be Radio wait, I click escape at the time. Radio tutorial. Without skip, okay. So next, app name. So Radio Cool. It will be Radio Cool. For theme, it will be default. Android maximum SD level. We're going to put at the lowest one, so everybody start from Android 5 can use it. Next, primary color. Okay, so for color, we're going to use Color Hunt here. So as you can see, Color Hunt is just basically an application to do something, to make your own color palette, or to see which color palette gonna perfect for you. So first, I'm going to use this one. So let's just put the first color. So because we need this color, so we're going to take that. This is going to be primary color dark. And command fee set. And this the other primary color. Here we're going to put it here. And the last one, accent color. We're going to put this one first. and comment V, all you got, then finish. Then we will start with this thing first, and we're going to change it to Galaxy S9 because it's the best one out there. And next, background color. For background color, we're going to use the brighter color here, because why not? We use that color to make it even perfect. Then we click that background color till it's shown. Then click here and Command V. Enter or return if you're on Mac. Then we got the main. After we get the main color here, next we're going to add the first thing. So first thing that we're going to put here, maybe we're going to change about screen to be Radio Cool, because that's the name. Screen 1 we will rename, and align horizontal will be center, align vertical will be center too. Background image we will not use that, and title it's Radio Cool too. Okay, that's all good. Next, first, to make those things, we're going to use something. It's called first name. So first name, we're going to go to user face, then going to label. Now here label, we're going to put it here, and label we'll change it to be now playing. Before that, we're going to change font size, maybe to be 20. Yes, 20 is perfect. Then background color, we don't need that. Text, for text we're going to change it to now playing. The height we're going to make it into 30%. No, height just automatic, and width will be 10%. 10% is not enough, so maybe 20%. Just 30%. That's all. Wait. 30%. Now, good. So we're going to make it to bold. Next, for playing, we're going to put his text color. As you can see here, the best one to do it by using the dark color, dark theme. I mean, yes, here. Then put the fill here. Command V. Now we have these red things. After label, we're going to use some space. We're going to put space, or looking for space here. Now we will put it under the color. Next, after we got space, we're going to have a horizontal arrangement. So here is the function of search bar. Click the search bar, this search bar, and look for the what part that you need, because now we need horizontal arrangement. We'll type horizontal here. Put that horizontal arrangement under that space. The next thing is, after we got the horizontal arrangement, we're going to need some image. So type image down there, and we're going to put the first image, and then second we're going to put the second image there, then the third image there. So all this image will be the main things. So middle image, we're going to change that to be main image. It will be main image, and here we're going to put some radio that we're going to put. So we're going to upload some asset here, and you can download a few asset. Like as example, one Roja image here, Roja radio, and next, and here we're going to put another image. So you need to main image to be put here. Other than Roja, we'll put this Quran image. Wait, this one. So we will have two image. You can looking for using your Google here. Next, after we have, we're going to put it from none to Quran. Wait, maybe just Roja first. Then hate, for hate we're going to change it to be 50%. No, just try that first. 50%, so it will be. No, so 50 is not enough, so we're going to change it to be 90%, and here it will be 90%. So 90 is not even enough. So maybe we're just going to use a pixel. So 100 pixel for height and 100 pixel for width. Wait, I'm just going to make sure first. Wait, guys. And don't forget to make the horizontal arrangement to be center. All of them. After that, we're going to change this one first. So all perfect. Wait, I think it's the wrong asset. So we're going to use that picture there. Now,
player one stop. So player one is the radio and the screen display is the control system.
wait. I think we need something here. Maybe we're just going to change it to be 200 pixel and 200 pixel. Yes, all the things to be there. And next, the first thing is going to be a back image. So you need to looking for asset that's called as back. You know, back button on some radio. We're going to need that. So we're just going to use. We're going to looking for back. Nah, this one. Back and next. Next PNG. Okay. So the first image, we're going to change its name to be back. Next, the second, we're going to change from image 2 to be next. After that, on next picture from none, we're going to put next. And on back from picture to none, from none, we're going to change it to be back. So height of the back, we're going to change it to be 30%, and weight will be 30% either. Maybe weight just going to be 20%. Or weight 20 pixel, 50 pixel, 30 pixel. And next height will be 20%. Width will be 30 pixel. We have some problem with the weight, so we're going to change it first. So for weight, 40 is going to be an enough number. Yes. Height will be 30 and weight will be 10% maybe. Yes. Wait, hold on. I will check it first. Weight is going to be 20 and height will be 25. Nah, all perfect. So weight will be 20% and height will be 25%. Don't forget to put the percent. Next, after this, we're going to put some space again. You can click here, right click, and duplicate. We have done duplicating there. Next, under the image, we're going to need to put some text. So we're just going to duplicate the things and click this label 1 copy. So label 1 copy, we're going to change the text to be the name of it. So it will be the name of the audio. And text alignment will be center. And label 1 copy, this is going to be another main topics too. We're going to change that things to be name. So it's the name of the image. Next, under that, we're going to put another space here. So duplicate again the other space, put it under here. Okay, all good. And next, maybe Rotja or the name. We will change the font size here to be 40. Now 40 will be great. So next thing, for that we're going to have a horizontal arrangement here. We're going to put it here. And next, we're going to need some of a button. So first we need the card view. We're going to put the first card view here, and we're going to put we're going to edit this first card view. So height of the card view will be 20%, 20%. Oh, 20% is too small. So 40%.
Maybe that's all. So
40%. And weight will be 40% too.
this work. So is that this is the total current index. The current index is the control capability. And then the length of this is
Wait.
it's going to add one for the next. Okay. It's supposed to be working now.
Weight is 20%.
So now let's
And height will be 20% too.
our phone.
Okay,
With the
so
control
we're
operated and
gonna
we're going to
continue again.
test it.
Alright, so as you can see right here, what we're gonna add lots of arrangement, yeah, before I put the movie. Okay, so
Okay, it's perfect. Width will be 20% and height will be 80 pixel.
By pressing on test and connect to company.
So next, corner radius. So for corner radius, we're going to make it to be 60. That's perfect. Next, right click on this thing, then click duplicate. So we're going to have two button here. And don't forget to add a space again. So right click on this space, duplicate, and put that space between two of them. Okay, all good. Next, inside that card view, we're going to need some image.
the first button,
So click this and type image.
So there's the pause button in here.
So first, wait, before this, align horizontal to be center and align vertical to be center. And this one either. Align to be center, horizontal to be center, vertical to be center.
the bottom one.
Next, we need to put the other image here, so perfectly in the middle. Next, we're going to put some asset here, another asset. So for the other asset, you're going to need some play
Okay. So let's try to put it on.
or pause.
Go to layout, general, and then we're gonna put
Okay, then there's a problem.
You need some pause button here.
we're gonna put it so
You can looking for it on Google. I recommend to you looking for it on Pinterest and the other thing. After pause, you need some stop. You need some stop image here. Stop PNG. Okay. After you upload it, next, the first image you need to change from none to be pause, and image 2 from none to be stop. All you have those button. Next, I think it's going to be better if we put this thing behind. So the next, we're going to delete it, and back we're going to delete it. Next, we're going to put some curfew,
As you can see now, it's blank.
the same as before. We're going to edit those things. So this one will be 80 and width will be 20%. Corner radius will be another 60. And horizontal to be center, vertical to be center. Next, just duplicate this thing, right click again and put it here. After that, we're going to looking for image again here.
Present this again.
Image,
For the
pick that image and drag it over here. And the other one too. Change the name of image 1 to be back. The first will be image and second or the other will be next. I mean the first will be back and the second will be next. Sorry, my bad. We're going to change it to be next button here. And the other one will change it to be back button. After we have done, it's all the UI that we need. Next, we're going to go to the block code. So this application need a block code, if you know. So first, we're going to go to block cut. Wait, I think all it's ready here. Yes, all is ready. The next thing, we need to go to block cut. So on block cut, we're going to use some variable here. So first, we're going to put a few variable to make some list. The first, we're going to go to variable here, and we're going to get this one, initialize global name 2. After that, we're going to change the name here to be a link, because we want the radio to start some real life audio. So we need to looking for some real audio here. So before that, we're going to go to list here. On list, we're going to put this one, make a list. So make a list, we're going to put it here. Then next, we're going to put 2 of them with a text. If you go to text here, you can drag this thing. Next, because we're going to have 2 audio. First is the Roja audio, and second it will be the Al-Quran or audio. So you need to looking for some MP3 of them, of 2 of the radio. So first, we're going to put this one. I'm going to take this one. And before that, forget, we're going to go to designer again, and we're going to put some player. Put it everywhere you want. And next is notifier. Okay, good. So let's get back straight into the audio. So in block cut, at block cut, we're going to looking for the audio first. Here, the MP3 of the audio, we're going to inspect it first. Inspect that MP3, and next, we're going to click this thing and straight to network. Third, we're going to click media here. Then start the audio.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله صلى الله وسلم عليه وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد، روى البخاري ومسلم في صحيحيهما عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه قال: قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: يقول الله تعالى: أنا عند ظن عبدي بي. وروى الإمام أحمد عن واثلة بن الأسقع رضي الله عنه قال: سمعت رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم يقول: قال الله عز وجل: أنا عند ظن عبدي بي فليظن بي ما شاء. وروى الإمام أحمد عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه أن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: قال الله عز وجل: أنا عند ظن عبدي بي إن ظن بي خيرا فله وإن ظن شرا فله. وروى الإمام مسلم عن جابر بن عبد الله رضي الله عنهما قال: سمعت رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم قبل وفاته ب3 يقول: لا يموتن أحدكم إلا.
We're going to looking for the other audio. So maybe we're just going to looking for Quran. We're going to looking for maybe just this audio. Next, we're going to do the same thing here. First, click this thing first, and then next we're going to go to inspect. On inspect, we're going to go to network, and after network we're going to click media. Next step is to click start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa man wala wa la haula wa la quwwata illa billah. Amma ba'd. Para pemirsa TV Roja dan para pendengar Radio Roja yang dimuliakan oleh Allah Subhanahu wa taala, pada kesempatan yang mulia ini insyaallah taala kita akan membahas surat Al-Imran ayat yang ke-62. Allah Subhanahu wa taala berfirman, inna hadza lahuwal qasasul haqq wa ma min ilahin illallah wa inna allaha lahuwal azizul hakim. Yang artinya, sesungguhnya ini adalah kisah yang hak. Wa ma min ilahin illallah, dan tidak ada ilah yang berhak diibadahi kecuali Allah. Wa inna allaha lahuwal azizul hakim, dan sesungguhnya Allah Maha perkasa lagi Maha bijaksana. Allah Subhanahu wa taala dalam ayat yang mulia ini menyatakan, inna hadza lahuwa al-qasasul haq. Inna hadza lahuwa al-qasasul haq. Kalau kita melihatnya dari sisi bahasa Arab, ya.
We will just stop this thing first. Next, after we got that, we're just going to duplicate these things. So from link to, we're going to change it to be an image. So image, because image is going to be different. So we're going to put first, we're going to click this main image, and we're going to take this part, only this thing. Or maybe you can take it from this one. Next, we're going to dupe that thing. First, the first image is not will be Al-Quran, it will be this one, Roja image. Remove the PNG. So basically, I will explain. After we click this next button, this image here will change to be this Al-Quran. Wait. That's the point of it, okay, because it will take a long time. So what this image do, it will do the same thing as the link. It will make some variable called image, and there are going to be two variables that show up, Roja, the Roja one, or Al-Quran. Next, we're going to duplicate this thing again. We will clean up first. Then image 2, we're going to change it to be a name. So we're going to delete this thing again. Next, we're going to put some text here. We're going to click this text and put both of them here. And first, the first text, because we're going to put it or name it Roja Audio, or radio, I mean. So first text will be Roja, and the second one will be Al-Quran. Okay, so all good there, and this all the things. What variable? And the last one, we're going to put another initialized global name. So we're going to duplicate it, but we're going to delete all of this thing. Then from name, we're going to change it to be Roja Index. So initialize global Roja Index 2. Nah, here we're going to put some math. 2, 1. I will explain to you why I'm going to put 1. So every time this application started, it will open this first line. These two lines called index. So index 1, index 2, index 1, index 2, index 1, index 2. So every time this application open it, so it will start the player MP3 and Roja image background. That one, this one, and the Roja name here. Okay, so every time it's open, it will be start from 1. The next thing, we're going to make some code on the play and stop button. So first we're going to scroll down until we found that button. Oh, I think we haven't changed those names. So this one, card view 1, we're going to click this one, card view 1. From card view 1, we're going to change it to be play. And this one, card view 1 copy, we're going to change it to be stop. All the thing done. So next, we're going to scroll down here until we found out some player or play. Not this player, but the other play. This one. Click that play and drag this thing in. When play, click. So we're going to do something. If you're asking what are those things, so then we're going to go to player 1. Then when play, click, do call player 1 to start. Then after that, we're going to go to notifier. So after calling the player 1 to start, we're going to make the notifier call notifier show alert, and we're going to put some text here. Audio is playing. So audio is playing. So when play 1 click do, so the play 1 will do call the player 1 or the audio 1 here to start. And next, it will call some notifier 1 to show an alert that showing audio is playing. So after we click that play button here, there will be a notifier that came here that show audio is playing. Okay. The other thing will be the same as this. So other than play, it will be stop. So when stop click, we're going to delete this first. When stop click, we're going to go to player again. First we're going to go to player, then the difference between start is stop. And we are going to put the same thing here. We're going to go to notifier and going to alert. This one alert, show alert, and drag here. And we're going to put some text to here. We bring that to here now. After that, audio is playing. We're going to change it to be audio is stopping.
Alright, so as you can see,
So audio is stopping. So I will explain. When the stop click here, so it will do call the player 1 to stop, and then call notifier 1 to show another alert that said audio is stopping. If we play this, a notification will pop up and say audio is stopping. And next, we're going to go to screen 1. Then we're going to put when screen 1 initialize here, do. So when screen 1 is initialized, then we'll do
project clear or not? My project clear or not?
we will do call screen display. Wait. So we will do some calling. Screen display.
There's someone using Carded Pro. It's like, Lupin or
Lupin, I know, but only the cutscene when He running, you know.
Wait,
I know. Well,
we're looking for it.
Yes, that one. That's very popular.
I look for shit, bro. You want the one that look like Lupin? The one that use metal bat, right? Baseball bat. The one that use baseball bat. You see this? The face look like Lupin.
Okay, we're just going to forget about
The
it.
one that using sword.
So we're going to go to player 1 again,
The one that.
and when screen 1 initialize, that will
Ano looking from that?
start the player 1 too.
This one, bro. This
Next,
look like Lupin.
because all the things we have done, we're going to go to the main things here.
This one.
So for the main things will be this next button and back button. This next and back. We're going to change the name to be cart next,
Bro, not this one.
and this one to be cart back.
Hey, it's almost same. Look at this. Look at this. Hey.
So cart next and cart back. The first thing is we're going to go to cart next, cart back first. So from cart back, we're going to put this one. When cart back click, so the blocks or the system will do something.
Oh ya.
So first we're going to go to control, then we're going to put if then, and from this if then we're going to click this one and put else on it. So
Radio.
the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to go to math.
So yeah, this the
Oh
part 2 of radio station.
yes, math.
This
Then we're going to take this one first
so yeah.
and change this one
Before I
to be
go guys
a smaller.
next project.
So after that,
Yeah, so
we're going to go to
use
this initialize global roja index. We're just going to move our cursor to here and wait, this code will show, and we'll drag this get global roja index.
guarantee. Yeah. No wings guarantee.
Then we're going to go to list.
This is one of the
After we going to list, we're going to put this one, length
except
of list.
here we'll add
Then after that, we're going to go to this name and get global name.
special.
I will explain to you after this, so just follow me first. Just follow me.
You can search for the background
Next thing is
anywhere in
we're going to set the global roja index. Click here first again, and then we're going to put this set global roja index. Then the next part is we're going to go to math again. On math, we're going to add this one,
you add some level here.
blah 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 plus blah blah blah. Next, we're going to put it here. After that, we're going to add this roja index again
Yeah.
and put it here. After that, here we're going to go to math again and put this 0 and change it to be 1. Just follow me. I know it's kinda confusing. I will explain to you later. Next, on else. On else, we're going to straight going here again and set global roja index. So we're going to go to math again, and from 0, we're going to change it to be 1. Then we're going to wait. Where is it? Wait, hold on, guys. Wait. I think I forgot something.
like this. The unit, horizontal next, and back, and image. The middle is the radio like this. So here we will take horizontal under the level.
Oh yeah. I just remember.
Interface. Next,
We're just going to
what is it?
go to notifier again, and as usual we're going to put some show alert. So call notifier and show alert. And for show alert we're going to do with Roja index. Cardback is done. Next. So next we're going to go
I've teach you all guys how to
with
pause an image from your
card next.
device one.
Yes, card
Here there is
next.
Roja,
So we're going to go to card next here, and as usual, when card next is clicked, so what is the thing that we're going to do? It's going to be almost look the same as this. So
then this,
we're going to go to control again and bring if then. Then we will put else here. After that we're going to go to math. After math we're going to drag this. But the difference between the before is going to be bigger. This one.
we will add this.
Then we'll put
I mean,
global Roja index too.
BFM.
We're going to go to Roja index, this one, and get global Roja index.
Go from here. Then
After that we're going to change the difference. It's going to be here. Just duplicate this one and put one here. So next we're going to put some set global Roja index too here, and we're going to go to math again, drag this thing up and make wait, sorry, it's not this one, so delete that things. Go to math here and minus. So after that we're going to take that global Roja index again
then you may change the font size
to here. Next we're going to minus that things with a 1.
35.
After that
Then you may change
else
the
we're going to take this set global Roja index. Just duplicate the things
ball.
and delete this part.
Yes.
Then we're going to duplicate this thing.
I think it's too big.
So set global Roja index to length of the list.
Yeah. Then you may take
Length of a name. Next we're going to duplicate this thing again. Call notifier and show alert. All the thing done from card back to card next. So here is the moment. I will explain to you. So what is card back here? So when card back click, so it will do some report here. So this thing will configure first. So if get global Roja index or the index
stop and play button.
is smaller
Alright.
than the length of the index, as you know, we're going to set global Roja index here to be 1, and the length of the list of global index name here, it's 1 and 2. So 2. So example, this Roja index is 1 and this part is 2. So if 1 is smaller than 2, so then it will do something. After that, if it's real smaller, it will set global Roja index to get global Roja index plus 1. So after that it will plus 1. So now the global Roja index it will be 2. Nah. And it will continue. After that, if we click card back again, and we will receive get global Roja index because it's 2 now. So 2, is it 2 bigger than 2? No, right? So if it's not, it will set the get global Roja index to 1 again. it will go back to 1 again. And the opposite things happen here. So on Cartnex, if the global Roja index, that's 1, because we start from 1, is bigger than 1, so it will set global Roja index to get global Roja index minus 1, so it will go to that, and else it will set global Roja index length of place global name, and all the thing will show an alert too of the global Roja index name.
This for make a list
Okay,
of link.
so all the thing is done here. We are just going to do the things. So the preview here. So the preview, if you click this thing in, it will show the thing that I showed before. So maybe you can try that on your phone. And because if you want to upload that, you can go here to test. Export. Next, we're going to export this app to be an Android app. So wait, the project is safe,
21 minutes kan ano?
and we're going to wait here.
And then like this.
They're still exporting the app to make it to be a real app.
Text, then put the empty
Because I'm using a laptop, so I cannot show the preview here.
put one more over here, and then we'll take the link
Wait, hold on.
the Roja base. So it's live, yeah. It's live from Roja.
Sorry.
You
Wait, sorry, it's taking some long time. So we'll explain. And this is the second project that I've made. And basically, if you have something that doesn't work as the thing that I show, maybe you can comment under this video. Or maybe if you haven't watched my demo, you can watch my demo too on my channel. You can looking for my channel, click my channel profile, and looking for demo of radio app. Then I will read all the comments that you've made. And if you have any suggestion what else that I should learn or do, maybe you can ask me or comment too. What the things that I can do or learn more for starting. Because this is just a school project, right? If there's anything useful, because I want to be a programmer too, maybe you can use or comment under the how to be the programmer and the other thing. So while waiting, we're going to wait a few minutes here. Waiting the app 40%, it's still loading, so just wait. It's always take a long time to export some apps. It's a normal thing, just trust me. So waiting. So now it's 45%. Just wait. Maybe, oh yeah. Before that, if you want to see the preview first before downloading the real app, you can use some apps that called Codeler Companion. If you want to see here,
next is radio link.
here, Codeler Companion. This is an app on it. It's a really popular app. So we're going to check it again. So still 45%. Wait, this thing first. So I will explain about Codeler Companion here, if you didn't understand about this thing. So first, the only preview that Codeler Companion have is this. And you have two options to start. The first option here, to scan the QR button, the QR code, using this button. To preview your project here. If you're on Codeler, you can click here, test, and there is going to be a QR code button. And the other method is option 2. So option 2, you're going to manually input the code using the text box. So you're going to go here and click the test 2. After you click the test button, you will have your application there. After you click the test button, there will be an option of look of code. So it will show the code here. After that, you can copy or memorize that and input the code here.
You can change it first.
It's all about the Codel companion.
Here is the play button.
See. Drag, drop apps, and repeat. Make apps with Codel, Codel.io. It's a really recommend because Codel is an easy apps if you're a beginner at programming and the other thing. If you want to be an app developer, Codel is the thing for you because it's really useful. That thing. So 70% there. Building app, 95%. It's almost there.
Oh yeah, before go to app player.
Okay.
Play here. What is your function?
So
Player.
here's the thing.
Uh,
So Android type of radio tutorial is done. So all the thing is finished. After that, we're going to copy this thing and we're going to download.
play some MP3 or audio from there.
Wait.
And also notifier.
Then you will have your app
And
there.
also notifier ya.
Because I don't have any emulator, so
And then
there's nothing there.
player.
So if you're really using a phone,
Start.
you can looking for it there. Maybe you can copy that link and send to your friends to download that apps. Okay, so the whole things is done. And me,
Take the
I'm Gazwan Raina Sabrinarto. Thank you guys for listening. Sorry if this tutorial is too long for you or something. And I'm Gazwan Raina Sabrinarto. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And sorry if I do some music or a lot of problems. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Gazwan Raina Sabrinarto. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.